Hi there. Great to see you. I will demonstrate my recipe for plump and crispy chicken fingers that are seasoned and marinated in garlic and Parmesan cheese. Look for another dish in the video that you will definitely have to try. I am using an 8-ounce packet of garlic and Parmesan cheese powdered mix. I will split this into two 4-ounce portions, one for marinating the chicken fingers and the other portion for incorporating into flour for coating the fingers. As you can see, I have in a mixing bowl a half pound of chicken tenderloins. I have not pounded these. I have left them as they were out of the package I bought from the grocery store. The tenderloins have been marinated in a cup of milk and half of the garlic and Parmesan cheese mix for about 2 hours. You do not have to marinate the tenderloins as long as I have, but at least an hour would be good to get the delicious flavor of the packet. I have for frying the tenderloins a cast iron saucepan and about 4 cups of vegetable oil that is heated on a burner to 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The other 4 ounces of the garlic and parm packet is added into about 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I mix the flour and packet mixture with a fork to ensure that the ingredients are combined well. I also have ready a parchment paper-lined baking dish. This will be used to keep warm the chicken fingers that are done, while the other fingers are frying on the stove. The frying oil is to temperature, and it is time to start frying these plump chicken tenderloins. You will also notice a loaf pan with something delicious looking, baked golden brown cooling on a rack. These are au gratin potatoes. I will post a video with this recipe this week. So, please check back for that video on my channel this time. I take a fork and start coating the chicken tenderloins in the flour and then in the milk and garlic parm mixture. You can repeat this step for a thicker, crispy coating. It is all up to you. The first batch of chicken fingers is getting close to being done. I check with a thermometer at the thickest part of the chicken for an internal temperature of 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This batch is ready. I will put the chicken fingers onto the lined baking pan and place them in a 200-degree oven to keep them warm and crispy until the other chicken fingers are done. Time to plate these and serve to my husband. To accompany the fingers, I have some buttermilk ranch dressing and some sliced celery stalks and carrot sticks. Well, I hope you try this recipe. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And check back later to see the potato au gratin recipe. See you next time.